Dear sweet learners, my dear friend, today I am going to tell you another story. This is about honesty is the best policy. This is the theme we are going to adopt. Actually, this is a story named Shuruzali, the honesty of Mr. Shuruzali. Shuruzali was a poor man in a remote village of Bangladesh. One day, he was offered a job of being a caretaker of an orchard, mango orchard. He was appointed, he was employed as the caretaker of an orchard. But the owner of the orchard stay away. So all the time Shuruzali take care of the mango orchard and he just look after the orchard. He never eat any mango, ripe or green from the any tree. One day, the owner, the master of Shuruzali, went to visit his orchard. With him, there was a guest. The master of the garden or mango orchard asked Shuruzali to take some sweet mangoes from the trees. For the first time, Shuruzali took some mango from a tree that was ripe mango, and he after cutting the mangoes, he produced it or presented on the table for his master's guest. But the mangoes were so sour. Then the master of the mango orchard asked Shuruzali, "What, you are a man? You must take some sweet mangoes. Why did you bring sour mangoes?" Shuruzali got ashamed. He didn't tell anything. Then once again he went to take some other mangoes from the tree. As before, he brought the mangoes and cut it and put it on a plate and presented on the table for the guest. Again, the master and the guest found that these mangoes were also sour. This time, the master became a bit angry. "Hey Shuruzali, what are you doing? I told you to bring some sweet mango. Why you are bringing sour?" This time also, Shuruzali told nothing, just he went to bring some sweet mangoes from the tree. Once again, he plucked the mangoes, ripe, juicy mangoes from a tree and took it for his master's guest, and he presented again, but this time also these mangoes are also sour. Now the master rebuked him. "What happened to you, Mr. Shuruzali? Why you are not understanding my order? I told you to bring some sweet mangoes. Again and again you are taking just sour mangoes. What happened to you? Tell me." This time Shuruz Ali informed his master that, Sir, you just appointed me, you just employed me to take care of this mango orchard. You never told me to taste any of the mango. So, for these whole years, I never tasted any mango from this orchard or from these trees. So, how can I know which mangoes would be sweet and which are sour? Hearing this, the master became so much impressed that really this man is an honest one. So the master became very much happy and he rewarded the orchard to Shuruz Ali. From that very day, Shuruz Ali became the owner of the mango orchard, and Shuruz Ali became rich. From that very day, Shuruz Ali started living happily. It was the reward of his honesty. So, my dear sweet learners, see, if you are actually honest, someday, somehow, somewhere, you will be rewarded. So, don't forget to be honest at any cost. Try to preserve your honesty. Be honest, sincere, and devoted. So, this is the story. Thank you all for watching and listening to this story. Allah Hafiz.